So again, either 2 weights, 1 in each hand, or 1 weight and a yoga block. So exhale to row that weight as you extend back in the opposite foot. Inhale to come back. As I row, I'm coming back at this 45-degree angle with my upper body and forearm. So I'm not pulling to the shoulder. The weight is coming more towards the hip. And as I extend the leg back, I'm avoiding arching in the back. Let's go ahead and switch sides. So I'm keeping that rib cage and pelvis connection as I extend. Exhale to extend, inhale back. When we keep that connection, it's going to really strengthen the core a lot more than if we break as we arch.